Trip
Yeah,
has
it
been in my
feels
bucket list.
actually we are talking about
Like
really the
friends.
trip is going to happen. I also, just speaking about it gave me immense
Once
happiness. I
I
remember the last movie I've seen. I see a person, he's very old, I believe more than 70, and he was watching the movie all alone and he brought his own popcorns and all the
Yeah,
stuff. And I
it's
was like
fun.
saying, wow, see,
And when you
oh
break
God.
that barrier that, hey, you know what, I can actually speak. It's that just my lack of emotional fluency which is stopping me from speaking language fluent. Learners, if you want to improve your English speaking skills and want to stay connected with me, join my WhatsApp community, Fluent and Forward Hub, where I share learning material and also we run speaking practice inside the group. So I'll see you inside my group. The link is given here in the description box. If just message group link and my team or I will send you the link. Hello, Pallavi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also good.
How is life treating you?
It's going well as usual.
Okay, great to know. So, Pallavi, I believe this is our first conversation video for my channel. Could you please
Yeah,
introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. My name is Pallavi Dhingra, and I'm an English communication coach. I have been helping people improve their communication skills over the past 10 years, and I help working professionals as well as students to improve their confidence as well as their communication. And I'm from Delhi. About my educational qualification, I'm postgraduate in English as well as TEFL TESOL certified trainer, and I really love to teach and I love to connect with people. So we are connecting today.
Great, great. Great to know about you, Pallavi. Okay, so I want to tell my audience, dear audience, today we are going to have a role play conversation with Pallavi. So there is a scenario in which Pallavi and I are friends. We are assuming we're friends and we are long lost friends. We are connecting after a long time and we are planning a trip. You know, I believe it's every girl's dream to plan a solo trip with his or her bestie. So that's what we are doing today. So shall we begin, Pallavi?
Yeah, that would be a great fun.
Okay, so let's assume we are having a conversation over a video call on WhatsApp. Okay, usually on WhatsApp people have
Yeah.
this calls. Okay, so hey, hi Pallavi.
Hi, how are you? Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been long time. How have you been?
I have been so good. Like life is just going as it is. You
Oh,
say, how are the things your side?
things have been pretty well. You know, I'm busy with my family, my work, so all these things keep me busy. What about you? Have you found your match or you are single? What is it like?
I know I found my match. I'm married. I have two kids at the moment.
Oh wow,
So
amazing, amazing. So, and what else? What else are you doing in your life right now?
these days, busy with my work, household stuff, taking care of my kids. All these
Uh-huh.
things are on the way.
Okay. And where are you settled?
I am in Delhi.
Oh, great, great. I'm in Chandigarh.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you ever visited Chandigarh?
Yeah, I visited long time back just for a short trip. It was like I have the fascination to visit Elante Mall. I have
Ah,
heard it a
yes.
lot. So I just
Yeah.
visited and we just went.
Very
Like
famous
actually, I
mall.
was
Yeah.
coming with my family from Shimla. So on the way, we just took a stopover and we just visited the mall. And after that, we rushed towards Delhi.
Okay. Didn't you visit Sukna Lake?
No, didn't.
Okay. Sukna Lake is also very famous in Chandigarh. Sukna
Yeah,
Lake,
I heard about it.
markets, gardens, they're very famous. I
Yeah,
believe
we
I
visited market also. Yeah, I remember Sector 17 market,
yeah,
I
yeah,
guess.
Sector 17, very old and famous market. Now I believe
Yeah,
people prefer visiting malls over, local
yeah,
markets. That's something I
that's
believe
true.
in. Mm. Even I'm
That's
not a
true.
mall person. I love buying things from local shops. I love buying from that.
Yeah,
That's another kind of experience because in malls you're basically covered. I want
Yeah,
I want it to be very natural, under the sky, roaming around, eating some street food. This is something I like. I love.
okay. Okay, but I'm the opposite. I'm a mall person.
Ah,
I love to be there in the AC because Delhi heat is like too much. If you go
yeah,
outside, it's like so humid
I
and you
can
will sweat
understand.
even before stepping into any shop.
Yeah, yeah, of course. I can completely understand. This weather is crazy. If I stand in my kitchen for even 2 minutes, I start sweating. It's too humid.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that's true.
Okay, so Pallavi, if you remember, we had a chat in which we were talking about planning a trip with our girls. Do you remember?
Yeah, that was so fascinating. Even I was so happy when you said about the trip. Let's plan a trip. Where are you planning for? Where shall we go?
See, I'm a hill person basically. I want to go to hills. So I'm thinking maybe we should plan to some Himachal area or maybe Uttarakhand. Both are the best places.
Yeah, Himachal would be better. Even I would love to visit hills. It really brings me close to the nature, and one would think, oh,
Yes.
this world also exists after being in a polluted city. Then I just
Yeah.
wonder, this world also exists. So I also love to visit hills.
Yeah, in fact, in months like July, August, September, it's even more beautiful because you can clearly see white
Yeah,
clouds over the mountains. It's very beautiful and it's very soothing to eyes as well. We must plan a
yeah,
trip like this.
that's
Hmm.
true. Yeah, we can plan for what do you say, for Manali?
Yeah, Manali sounds cool because there we have many activities like we can do river rafting. I love water
Yeah,
sports. What about you?
I never did. I'm so scared.
Oh, what?
I am
Oh, I
scared to
love water.
try sports and to try water rides. I am so
Ah,
scared.
no, but it's too much fun. I love water sports. I love it. And it's really, I don't know, it's crazy. I mean, I love it. I love it. You should give it a try. And if not that, you can
Yeah,
try
might be.
something
Let's
else.
see.
Hmm. And
Yeah,
what
let's
about
see.
paragliding? Do you like that?
I never tried it. I like it. I had this
Uh-huh.
in my mind. Wow, one could get like so beautiful pictures and the scenery is so
Yeah.
beautiful when we watch, when we see the others' videos, but I never gave
Hmm.
it a try. But I wanted to with my heart beating to the fullest, but I wanted to.
Okay, what about your kids? Do they like such adventurous activities?
Yeah, my kids, my elder one likes a lot. He loves to play. Even if we go to a water park, he will do water rides at least 20 times each ride he will do for sure. But I will just sit, I will be there in the pool, but I don't do much water rides. But my elder
Oh.
one loves, my younger
Hmm.
one being like a toddler, so he doesn't explore that much, but then also he loves as per his age.
Okay, great, great. You remember Nisha, our college friend?
Yeah.
She's also settled in Delhi.
Oh, I do not know that.
Yeah, in fact, I had a word with her like 2 days ago. Even she's also in for the trip.
Okay, that
Yeah.
would be fun if we three can go. The trio can go for the
Yes.
fun trip.
Yeah, girls trip, right? So we can plan.
Yeah.
Are you comfortable with like 2 days trip or you want more days?
I think 2 nights and 3 days would be a
Yeah.
good start because it's our first trip. Then we can increase our days.
Yeah.
After, let's see how will be the experience of the first trip.
Yeah, but okay, are you bringing kids also?
No, I think it would be a solo trip, so it's better to be without kids. So let us have me trip.
Okay, but I have never done that before. I'm sure I'll miss my daughter like anything. I really miss her.
I
But my husband is
Even I
in
tell
for
you,
it.
once in a blue moon, you can leave your kids either with your husband, your in-laws, or with your parents, because
Yeah,
that
that
they would also enjoy over there.
Yeah, no, no, that way is my husband is really supportive. I at times, go on a solo date with me. So I leave my daughter with my husband. So for one day, I just go shopping or I go in a cafe, have
Mm.
coffee alone. I love doing those things as well. I believe this gives you a lot of confidence also, and you feel empowered from within,
Right.
that you really
That's
don't
true.
need people around you. You can be happy within yourself. That's I think it's a
That's
nice
true.
thing to do.
I can
Hmm.
truly feel you. That happens.
Hmm. So, okay, I'm wondering that in a coming weekend, we can plan a trip. I have a contact number of one agency. So they take basically women in
Hmm.
trips. So we
Okay.
can contact them and we can give our list that we are three girls planning a trip. We'll give them the details and I ask the details from them as well. Money and what way places we will go. The whole basically the whole guideline,
Yeah, we
everything
can
we
prepare
share.
the whole itinerary and can share.
Itinerary, yes, absolutely. So I will get that from him, right? It's a good idea,
Sure.
right? And I believe it's
Yeah,
better
I
to go
think.
through some agency because it's much more,
Yeah, so they
it's,
can arrange everything.
yeah. And also it's safe. I believe it's safe
Yeah.
also when you go through someone, they hold accountability. So I believe we can work on that, right? Hmm.
Yeah, that would be a good idea. Even I'm in for it.
Yeah. So we'll do one thing. We'll create one WhatsApp group, like you, I, and Nisha.
Okay.
So there we can communicate easily, right? We can get in touch.
Yeah, that would be a good idea.
Yeah, great. So, okay, just give me 2 days time. I'll get back to you with the details. All right. And meanwhile, I'll
Yeah,
create a group
sure.
also.
Yeah, sure. It will be so much of fun. I'm super excited at it as it will be my first solo girls trip.
Likewise,
So I'm
likewise.
very excited.
It has been in my bucket list.
Yeah, same here.
Okay, now coming out of this role play situation, Pallavi, I really didn't realize that we were pretending, we were assuming, because honestly, this solo trip
Yeah,
has
it
been in my
feels
bucket list.
actually we are talking about
Like
really the
friends,
trip is going to happen. I also, just speaking about it gave me immense happiness.
happiness. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No, it's my pleasure. It was lovely talking to you also. But it's actually it's my dream. I won't say it's dream because dreams don't get fulfilled.
Hmm.
I'll say, of course, it's one of my goals. I really want to go on a solo trip. Have you ever gone for solo trip?
No, never.
Oh, but I have
Never.
seen on Instagram that there are so many, what do you say, like agencies or groups who conduct such trips, like especially for women
Yeah,
also, so that they feel safe,
yeah.
right? And they create a group of 10 or 15 people and then they travel,
Mhm.
even for one day also they travel. So I
Yeah,
believe
I
you
have
can give
also
it,
seen that.
yeah, yeah. It's really fun to watch them on Instagram, but
Yeah,
even in
right.
Chandigarh also we have these groups now who take these women, or sometimes it's mixed group also, like men, women,
Yeah,
both.
I remember, yes, I traveled like 2 years back to Bangalore, but that was for like some training. But that
Um,
was also a wonderful experience. There, though we didn't roamed anywhere, it was just
ah,
like from Delhi to Bangalore, flight, then to the hotel and back.
oh,
That was for
nice.
a day, but that was a wonderful experience. It also gave me enough confidence and
Hmm.
a different feeling within, and even my confidence boost up. So, yes, I have been over there. I'm remembering now.
Yeah, I believe it gives you self belief because
Mhm.
you don't have to rely on others. You are
Yeah.
responsible for yourself. So I believe this kind of confidence that you get when you go out alone, not I'm not saying that go for a trip, maybe just like that when you go out alone, because I remember in my even in college days and in my growing up years, I used to see that how people, and especially girls in school and colleges, they used to wait for their group
Yeah.
members to come in, and they stepped outside the classroom. They were like that. So
Yeah.
I
Right.
am someone who loves going out alone. I don't wait for others to join me in. I just go out like
Mhm.
that. Sometimes I go for a movie all alone, and I love sitting in
All
that
alone.
hall enjoying
I
my
have seen
popcorn.
actually a lot of people.
Yeah,
When I visit, I generally go with my husband or with my kids. So whenever I see once, I remember the last movie I've seen. I see a person, he's very old, I believe more than 70, and he was watching the movie all alone and he brought his own popcorns and all the
yeah,
stuff. And I
it's
was
fun.
noticing, wow, see?
It's fun. It's fun. Okay, so
Mhm.
Pallavi, tell me more about your work. Like you are a trainer, you give classes in some institutes, or you run your own classes. What is it like?
I have my own company, so where I've been teaching for almost last 10 years. Before Corona, I only have students from outside India, but after Corona, I do have students from India as well. So it is like 80% outside India and 20% from India. If I mention outside India, so they are generally NRIs, those who are good in
Mm-hmm.
their technical skills, but then they are
Hmm.
lacking in their communication skills. Or some
Hmm.
kids, they are studying over there in Cambridge, Ivy Board,
Yeah,
so they could not match up their level. So I trained them for the same. And the working professionals, they are very good in their role play at their role, but they are not getting the promotion and they are stuck
yeah.
because they're not able to portray themselves well. So I
Hmm.
help these people. Along with it, I do give training for IELTS, TOEFL, and PTE. Like I started
Mm-hmm.
my career with IELTS, and then all the
Okay,
things come on the way.
okay. So you're
And
running
I
your
teach like full
institute?
time online.
Okay.
I only teach online. I don't teach offline at all. So I have the students so full time like I do teach. So timings
Hmm.
and schedule we depend because if my students are from outside India, so generally the odd hours are there and that I love because then I'm free and my kids are not home that time.
Okay, it must be night, like late evening hours.
Yeah, late evening or early mornings. And if they're from Singapore, Dubai, then it's the time they are off in the tuition or they're in the school. So I
Okay,
love these time, enjoying my life to the fullest.
great, great. And how do they reach out to you? How do they find you basically?
I get actually, I tell you, 80% are my students through references because obviously, if anybody could find the difference, they would refer to you. And 20% these days, I could see from social media also, they approach me, though I'm active from last 2 years, that too on and off. I keep on going. I'm
Yeah,
not at all consistent. I try to be. Now I'm making
likewise.
this year
Yeah.
as my priority, but still it is taking time. So I wasn't regular, so they approach me through social media or they search online my name, Pallavi Dhingra online classes, or anybody looks for online classes, then they could find me on Google as well.
Okay, great. And you talked about working professionals. So I also run my group online batches for them. And I clearly see one thing in them. It's not just about English language, it's more about your mindset. You have these
True.
fears of being judged, fears of forgetting the sentences. So I believe the first thing you need to work on is your mindset. And when you break
Right.
that barrier that, hey, you know what, I can actually speak, it's that just my lack of emotional fluency which is stopping me from speaking language fluently. I need to work on that. When they start doing that, they see results. Absolutely.
Yeah. Like I'm on it and I believe that's the same.
Yeah, yeah. Well, Pallavi, it was lovely conversation with you. I'm sure people are going to enjoy this, especially conversation between
Yeah.
friends. This is going to inspire women also. I believe they will also plan
Yeah.
trips like that. So here I would like to say this to my audience. So dear learners, this was conversation with Pallavi. I'm sure you enjoyed this conversation a lot. If you also want to go on a trip with your friends or with your family member, just write their name in the comment section and tell me where are you planning your next trip. And also, if you like this conversation, write your comments, like my video, and subscribe to my channel for more informational content. Pallavi, thank you so much for being here.
Welcome.
Thank you so
All
much.
right.
And
Bye.
bye. I'll see you inside my community. And thank you for watching this video. Jai Shri Ram.